Demeng Toy is a professional factory dedicated to producing fashion art toys with 12 years of experience in customizing designer toys. Our professional team and exquisite craftsmanship have earned us a high reputation and rating, and we have cooperated with many internationally recognized artists, designers, and fashion art brands. Currently the factory has more than 200 experienced workers, first-class production equipment to ensure that every production process meets high standards, and we strive to present all design aesthetics perfectly to our customers, and deliver the most perfect works of art to toy collectors all over the world. In order to provide customers with one-stop solutions from conceptual design to final product, we have established a one-stop service team. Our professional design team and engineers will perfect your design concept and provide you with the most reasonable production suggestions. Our 3D modeling team helps you to better preview the 3D effect of your design, and at the same time, we quickly 3D print prototypes and hand drawings to ensure the design effect and final product quality in advance. Our experienced team of engineers will comprehensively analyze the characteristics of each design and combine the advantages and disadvantages of different processes and materials to provide the best tooling solutions and product materials to ensure product efficiency and precision. Meanwhile, we have several high-quality and high-efficiency professional production lines to ensure the smooth running of mass production. We also have many different coloring process departments such as oil spraying, pad printing, water transfer printing, UV printing, and so on. And all the products are assembled by hand, with fine control of all the details to ensure that each toy is perfectly presented. We accept customized packaging. For each design we will customize the corresponding gift box for customers, to ensure the perfect display of the product's artistic value and design style, and at the same time to protect products from breakage during transportation. We have a strict QC team to strictly control every link of production, to ensure that all processes are qualified, safe and environmentally friendly, and can accept on-site inspection by any third-party testing organizations and personnel. We can promise that any unqualified products can be 100% returned for repair. We provide one-stop door-to-door transportation service, so that every customer can sign for the art toys on time while drinking coffee at home. We can combine a variety of processes and material combinations to meet the needs of different types and styles of art toys. Our product line includes rotocasting vinyl toy, injection molded PVC toy, injection molded ABS toy, resin figurine, life-size fiberglass sculpture, plush toy, and more. We adhere to our customer-centered approach and continue to create value for our customers through continuous innovation and quality improvement. Our goal is to ensure that every art toy, from concept to finished product, perfectly reflects the creativity and design inspiration of the designer. Demeng Toy has successfully completed several art toys production cases. You can also check out the sample display in our showroom. If you are looking for an art toy factory that can realize your creativity, Demeng Toy will be your most trustworthy partner. We look forward to working with you to create more amazing artworks.